President of the Philippines. The Office of the President serves as the central command of the executive branch, supporting the President in managing national affairs, supervising all government departments, and ensuring law and policies are properly executed. It handles major concerns such as public safety, national security, disaster response, and anti-corruption initiatives. The Office of the President also oversees several specialized agencies and task forces that help the President respond quickly to urgent national issues. Department of Justice, DOJ. The Department of Justice acts as the government, primarily legal and prosecution are responsible for ensuring that laws are faithfully enforced and that crimes are properly investigated and prosecuted. It supervises agencies like the NBI, Bureau of Immigration and Public Attorney Office, which together protect the rights of citizens, handle criminal cases, and provide legal aid. The DOJ plays a central role in maintaining justice, order, and the rule of law in the country. Department of the Interior and Local Government, DILG. The DILG oversees local government units, ensuring that cities, municipalities, and barangay deliver essential service effectively and follow national policies. It also promotes peace and order through its supervision of the Philippine National Police, Bureau of Fire Protection, and Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. The department strengthens local governance, support disaster preparedness effort, trains local officials, and ensure communities remain safe, organized, and efficient in serving their residents. Department of Transportation. The Department of Transportation is responsible for planning, regulating, and managing all transportation systems in the Philippines, including land, sea, air, and rail network. It ensures the safety, reliability, and efficiency of travel and public transport by supervising agencies like LTO, LTFRB, CAAP, Marina, and PPA. Through strong regulation and transportation development, the D2R works to create smoother mobility, safer travel, and better infrastructure for millions of Filipinos nationwide. Finance, DOF. The Department of Finance manages the government fiscal policies, revenue collection, and overall financial health in overseas taxation, customs duties, public borrowing, and national budgeting to ensure that the government has enough funds to deliver essential services. With agencies like the BIR, BOC, and Bureau of Treasury under its supervision, the BOF works to strengthen the economy, maintain financial stability, and ensure the sustainable management of the country's economic resources. Office of the Ombudsman. The Office of the Ombudsman is an independent body that investigates and prosecutes government officials accused of corruption, abuse of authority, or misconduct. It acts as the watchdog of the public, ensuring that officials are held accountable and perform their duties with honesty. The Ombudsman can file cases before the Sandigbaayan, imposes administrative penalties, and conduct lifestyle checks to protect citizens from corrupt or unethical practices within government institutions. Cybercrime Investigation and Coordinating Center. The CICC leads the country's cybersecurity efforts by coordinating government responses to cybercrime, developing national cybersecurity policies, and managing emergency response to digital threats. It works closely with agencies like the PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group and NBI Cybercrime Division to handle online fraud, hacking, identity theft, cyberbullying, and other digital offenses. Through improved coordination and cyber defense capabilities, the CICC strengthened the Philippine protection against modern cyber threat and digital criminal activities. Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission. The FAO supports the President by coordinating intelligence and operation against large criminal syndicates involved in activities like drug trafficking, human trafficking, financial fraud, and smuggling. It brings together different law enforcement agencies to ensure fast, unified, and strategic responses to nationwide criminal threats. FAO also advises the President on serious crime problems and helps design policies and operations that weaken organized crime network and enhance national security. Anti-Money Laundering Council. The MLC is the country financial intelligence unit tasked with detecting, investigating, and preventing money laundering and terrorism financing. It monitors superstitious financial transactions, works with bank and government agencies, coordinates with foreign counterparts, and freezes illegal assets to stop criminals from using the financial system by enforcing the Anti-Money Laundering Acts. The IMLC play a major role in protecting the economy, preventing financial crimes, and ensuring the Philippines meet international standards. Philippine Center for Transnational Crime. The PCTC focuses on fighting crimes that cross national borders, such as human trafficking, drug smuggling, cybercrime, and international fraud. It gathers and shares intelligence with local and foreign law enforcement, support joint operations, and strengthen the country's capability to handle cross-border criminal groups by coordinating with Interpol and regional partners. The PCTC helps protect the Philippines from a global criminal network and ensure stronger international cooperation and preventing transnational crime. Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation, PAGCOR. PAGCOR is a government-owned corporation responsible for regulating and operating legal gambling activities such as casinos, online gaming, and bingo. It ensures that gaming operations follow national laws, promote responsible gaming, and prevent illegal gambling. PAGCOR generates significant revenue that support government programs, social services, and tourism development. Its operation help fund infrastructure, health protect, and community programs while maintaining strict oversight of the gaming industry. Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption, VACC. The VACC is a citizen-led organization committed to helping victims of crime and fighting corruption in government. It provides legal assistance, emotional support, and guidance to victims while also monitoring investigation and court hearing to ensure justice is served. The group advocates reforms in policy, prosecution, and governance, raising awareness and encouraging public participation in the fight against crime. Through active involvement, VACC strengthens accountability and promotes a safer society.